Boss, good afternoon, boss.
Yeah.
Boss, I beg no vex. If you just help me with 2,000 naira, I beg. I did very, very stranded. I beg.
Me like this, I don't be like who they stranded. Don't be me how you do the economy. See watch when you wear, they say they find 2,000 naira. Go sell that watch. Go collect your 2,000 naira. I beg come up for here. Disturb me. They say they find 2,000 naira. You give me 2,000 who?
Somebody had been away for 94 days.
Bros, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Bros, I beg no vex. I did very stranded. If you just help me with 2,000 naira, I beg.
All right, let me just check.
Thank you, boss.
You are lucky.
Wow.
Yeah, this is okay.
Boss, thank you very much.
No problem.
Actually, it's a prank. See the camera there.
Your president is now a picture.
But you are a good person. In this economy,
Thank you.
you
Can I say that again?
deserve better.
Yeah.
Take. I dash you this.
Jesus!
Hey! Look at it now. Man, they never leave you.
Boss, I beg. As I dey talk to you now, boss, they just call me for work. Say they rush my wife go hospital. Say they need 10K, boss. I beg. Now only you fit help me.
No, I don't really have much. Not be say I get plenty money like that. So I just help you from my own heart.
God bless you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
No worry. Thank you.
Boss, thank you. I appreciate you. Are a lifesaver.
We just pray. Jesus! Hey! You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
I'm talking to you, you're walking out of me. Who is that woman? What is she doing inside?
What's your problem now? I told you she only came to our house to charge her phone.
This man.
What's the problem? Okay, listen now. You also say a woman. What is the good woman? And so woman they mad. Okay, please, mind yourself. This is family matter. Now woman not supposed to be beat woman like that. No matter what she do.
Please stop it.
You see your mate? Your fellow man is the one correcting you now for the rubbish you're doing to me.
Frank, are you okay? Hope you're okay.
What's the problem?
Leave my family alone. What's the problem? And you, what I will do to you?
Rubbish.
No problem.
You know that man when you leave park enter this estate now?
That black man away tall now, Abi.
When get that fine yellow wife.
Okay, yes. I know him. I know him.
That man wife I know. I love that man wife.
She what?
Thespian, person wife.
Anytime I see the girl,
This man.
it be like say girls who can't connection. It be like say God don't destine me and the man wife to be together. You understand? Maybe now why they always correct. Because every time they always correct.
Thespian, person wife. Now God don't destine on two to date together.
Like this now, I dey even pray make they quarrel again, make they fight again, make they break up, so that I will just collect the man wife. No man they give me green light.
This man.
I know they. That's the way you define. You go see him. No wahala. If that's the way you define, you go see him.
No worry, I don't tell man tell you, sir. I don't say no
body. Go use agbada wear slippers. Wear suit on top.
Hello?
How are you?
Yeah, I bet who they talk?
Oh, it's the lady you saw fighting with her husband yesterday.
Oh, good afternoon, ma.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
But please, how did you get my number?
That doesn't matter. I was wondering if you are free this evening.
I want you to meet me at this hotel.
You know that hotel now, that roundabout?
Oh, this evening, Abi? Yes, now I'm free now. I'm not do anything now. I'm free.
Yeah, I want to take you. Don't worry, bees on me.
I go there. They wait for you. I go even first to reach there.
Okay, see you then.
Thank you very much, ma. Thank you very much. Hey, God don't answer my prayer. Oh.
I want to say a very big thank you to you for, showing up. And also thank you for yesterday. I appreciate it.
Me, I not just understand that your husband, to be honest. So I don't know how man go get this kind of fine wife for house. Go they beat and they maltreat her every time.
Even me, I'm tired of the marriage. So, forget about that. Tell me about you.
Not really much now. You know my name now. My name now Nosy, and I know even.
Okay.
Baby, please, I am sorry. I know say I don't fuck up. Remember what we promised ourselves, for better for worse. I promise you this can't never happen again. Please forgive me. You know I love you so much.
What is this one they talk? See, no man I'm old.
Hey! Dissolve! Dissolve. Now they never leave. Dissolve. I said if Ahmed Bola Tinubu fails, hold me responsible. Look at it now.
Sir, please, your money na 250,000, sir.
What? Hey!
Please pay me. I want to hand over to my colleague, sir.
You think so you're wise?
Chai!
Look at it now. There's nothing to show for it.